Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series about fountain pen reviews. If you're a subscriber, you may notice that I'm uploading a lot of cursive tutorials, and although it is important that you follow this tutorial and practice on a daily basis, it could get repetitive and boring over time. So I'm trying to diversify my channel and offer something more entertaining. And I happen to have a lot of fountain pens, so why not start with fountain pen reviews? There's already plenty of reviews on the internet, and why should you watch my review? Well, as you know, I'm a cursive writer, and I take penmanship very seriously, so you can get my opinion for each pen when it comes to cursive penmanship, and you can actually see how each pen performs as I use it to write cursive. Another thing you don't get from elsewhere is the backstory behind each pen. I didn't go to the store on one day and buy up all the pens. I collected my pen over the span of 15 years since I was in middle school. So this is like a life journey for me, and each pen has so much memory that it already transcended its existence as a writing instrument. And I think that's what makes fountain pen special. It's the personal touch and the story behind it. I have grouped my pens into 4 different pricing tiers and 3 different user groups. The first group is for new fountain pen users. Maybe you never used fountain pen and you want to try it. Maybe you want to introduce your child to fountain pen. Chances are you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you do want a nice writing experience. So there are fountain pen less than $100 which you can buy, and you can expect to lose the pen or break the pen, but it won't break your heart when it happens. The second user group is for college students, professionals, and journal writers. The requirements of this group is they want something really nice and they want to use it on a daily basis. They use the pen to write essays, to write exams, to write journals. They write pages after pages with the fountain pen, and they enjoy the experience of writing. The third group of users don't need to write with fountain pen every day. They do want the best fountain pen and the most fancy letters. They might need a stylish pen to decorate their table and office space to make it more personal. They might want a fountain pen to write fancy signature on the postcard or envelope, but they don't expect to write pages after pages with a stylish fountain pen and lettering. That's all the introduction. I hope you're excited. In the next video, I will review the lower price fountain pens. I'll see you next time.